Not everyone starts as a tech expert, and that's completely okay. That's why we provide the Computer Secretarial course, which is a course that's designed for absolute beginners. Today, computer skills are not optional, whether it's for a job, your studies, or daily life. In this course, you will learn how to properly type, how to fix your speed and your accuracy. Windows 11, how to use, manage, and control your computer properly. Then we move on to Microsoft Word, in which you are going to learn how to create documents, letterheads, cover pages, CVs, newsletters, business proposals, and so much more. Then you're going to do Excel, complex formulas and calculations that are used in real workspaces. Microsoft PowerPoint, how to create professional and clean slideshows. And the best part, ICSA is merging all of this with AI, so that you can work faster, smarter, and more efficiently. We also have an ongoing offer where you are going to receive a free laptop on enrollment. So make sure you get yourself enrolled as soon as possible.